Ever felt like you're shouting into a void on Instagram, pouring your heart into your posts, but not gaining the followers you desire? Well, you're not alone. Today, we're going to share some tried and tested strategies to help you increase your Instagram followers. Firstly, let's talk about profile optimization. It's essential to choose a username that's easy to recognize and use a clear profile picture. Your bio should be compelling, describing precisely who you are and what you do. Next, focus on posting high-quality content. This includes visually appealing photos and videos that engage your audience. And don't forget about maintaining a consistent aesthetic or theme for your feed. Use captions to tell a story, ask questions, or encourage interaction. One thing that can't be overlooked is a consistent posting schedule. Regular posts keep your audience engaged. Try posting at different times to see when your followers are most active. Moving on to hashtags, it's crucial to use them wisely. Research and use relevant and popular hashtags, but don't overdo it. A mix of popular and niche hashtags works best. Consider creating a branded hashtag for your content. Engagement is key to growing your following. Respond to comments on your posts and interact with other users' content in your niche. Instagram stories and polls are great tools for encouraging interaction. Collaborating with others can also boost your followers. Partner with users in your niche for shoutouts or collaborations. Participate in Instagram challenges or takeovers. Hosting giveaways is another effective strategy. Organize contests or giveaways that require participants to follow you, like the post, and tag friends to enter. Don't forget to promote your Instagram on other platforms. Cross-promotion with users in related niches can be beneficial. If you have the budget, consider using Instagram ads to reach a larger audience. Diversify your content by using Instagram stories, IGTV, Reels, and other features. These can help you take advantage of Instagram's algorithm. Running contests and challenges can also encourage user-generated content. Ask users to share their own content using a specific hashtag. Finally, monitor your analytics. Instagram Insights can help you understand your audience and tailor your content accordingly. Analyze which types of posts perform well and adjust your strategy. Remember, building a genuine and engaged following takes time. Avoid shortcuts like buying followers. Instead, focus on creating valuable content and building authentic connections with your audience. To sum it up, the key strategies for increasing your Instagram followers include optimizing your profile, posting high-quality content, maintaining a consistent posting schedule, using hashtags wisely, engaging with your audience, collaborating with others, hosting giveaways, promoting your Instagram on other platforms, utilizing Instagram ads and features, running contests and challenges, and monitoring your analytics. For more tips and tricks, make sure to subscribe to our channel and join our Telegram and WhatsApp groups for regular updates. Remember, the journey to growing your Instagram is a marathon, not a sprint. Stay patient, stay consistent, and the results will follow. Until next time, this is Technology Geeks signing off.